Hey guys, it's Junior from Autocraze Caringbah. Today we've got the connected audio-visual STI WRX that is getting a set of Whiteline lowering springs. That's going to drop another 15 mil. We've got the brand new F111s from Flotec, made by SSW, along with a set of FALKEN tyres. Stay tuned.
Hello everyone, my name is Dre. Today we got the FALKEN F10s. Now this product covers a wide range of luxury sports vehicles like the Subaru we got here today. FK10s offer a silica-based compound which provides traction and grip in the wet and dry conditions. Now these tyres can range from sizes to 17 to 21 inches. They are designed and tested for Australian roads.
G'day, my name's Matt from Connected Audio Visual. We're the Australian distributors of Iroad dash cameras. I'm here at Autocraze Caringbah today, where they've fitted our WRX STI out with some new Flotec wheels. Of course, this car's fitted with our premium X10 4K 165 degree dash camera, 3-year warranty, and the boys at Autocraze Caringbah can definitely help you out. You can see the car's come up mint, obviously the wrap design, the colour, the wheels, and the guys have also lowered it, put us a little bit lower to the ground, so we looked that little bit better as well.